Well, we're talking accuracy and repeatability and longevity. So we will have machines which could be 20 years old coming back as we replace the machines, and we can get them back to the original specification very, very quickly.
I've been to... Hello everybody and welcome back to the MTD CNC live show from MAC 2022. It is a pleasure to be on the stand and kickstart this live show because I'm with Peter Cap, who is the CEO, and we're on the Sodick stand. And Peter, I opened your facility exactly 3 years ago in Warwick.
You did, just before COVID hit us. Yes, that's right. So, and a wonderful day it was too.
Oh, honestly, it's so memorable, and I drive past there quite often, and I'm always like, oh, it just brings back memories. It's a fantastic showroom. We will be talking about it a little bit later on. Right then, so if not many of you know about this technology, Sodick, can you just explain to everybody just the difference?
Yeah, actually, Sodick is the manufacturer of the machine. It's a Japanese company based in Yokohama. And Sodick looks after the UK and Ireland as the distributor of the product, looking after sales, service, parts, consumables, and everything to do with the machine itself.
Honestly, on this stand, there is so much technology. You might not have even seen half of the technology that they do. High-speed machining, injection molding, we've got the EDM, we've got die sync. You've even teamed up with Zeiss, Aroa, and of course your die syncing machines to all kind of talk to each other. So you're bringing automation into the mix as well, aren't you?
Well, it is in Europe, Lindsay, but we don't see a lot of it in the UK, so we just thought it was a good idea to bring it to the UK, to bring the cell of those three machines together, and for the first time we're showing it at the exhibition.
It's brilliant. Now, I've said this on every single live stream. Thank you for watching, but also we want to get you as close to the technology as we are. That's what these live streams are all about. If you want to get if you want to get any messages in, if you've got any questions for Peter, any member of the team, Chris, whomever we're talking to later, write in the comments below. We've got all the technology to get those questions directly to us as presenters, and we can ask all of the experts on the stand. Now, let's talk a little bit of age, right? How long have these brands been around?
Well, Sodick itself is 45 years old, in the Japanese company. Sodick is 32 years old, actually, this year, so that's a happy birthday to us. But, of course, linear motors themselves, of which we're the pioneer, we started in 1998. Right. Since that time, if you want me to continue.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Since that time, we've actually manufactured 250,000 linear motors.
That's massive, and that's kind of like your USP. So what is it that, you told me a fact, like that's a lot, and I mean, I don't know your competitors, but they are nowhere near close in terms of quantity as 250,000. But what's the USP with having a linear motor?
Well, we're talking accuracy and repeatability and longevity. So we will have machines which could be 20 years old coming back as we replace the machines, and we can get them back to the original specification very, very quickly.
I've been to quite a few of your case studies, A&M, EDM in Birmingham being one of them. Fantastic company. In fact, I saw Gary Sermon from here yesterday. He was at the show. They praise you. They say, they've got so many of your wire machines. I think it's like 20, of course. They praise you for your service, your support, and they say they just don't break down. So, they love what you do for them, but they don't need you half the time.
Well, A&M, of course, we've been with them from the beginning with Mark, as you know. Actually, I think they've ordered something like 40 machines off us yes. in their time. So they're a big user, and for us, a very valued customer, to be quite honest with you.
Now, talking about big users, valued customers, of course, we're going to talk about some more of the technology in just a few moments. But because you are leaps and bounds ahead in terms of quantities that you've sold, you're able to kind of be ahead, aren't you? And that's what your USP is. You're so far ahead. You've got iGroove technology, which you'll find out about in just a minute. What does this give you as a USP then, Peter?
It gives us a time period where the competition, to be quite honest with you, cannot get near us for a certain amount of time because of the knowledge that we have with linear motors. and the ability to change things quickly because of our production plants like in Thailand and in China and in Japan. So we really have roughly we'll have a 5-7 year lead on anybody that wishes to get into linear motors on machine tools.
And I've spoken to your customers, and I don't know whether I'm allowed to say this, but it is quoted from them. They're like the best of the best. You know, when the people always often compare brands to cars and everything. A lot of people say like these are the Rolls Royces of machines, and that's quotes from customers. So you've got a lot of respect in this marketplace.
We have, yes, and obviously because we've been here 32 years, we've looked after all the customers. Most of them have come to see us today, yesterday, and hopefully for the rest of the week. You know, and it is our biggest stand that we've ever had at a Mac exhibition, 420 square meters. So, yeah, we're enjoying it.
And they've got a new machine launch at the end of the year, but I'm not going to tell you any more about that because it's all a little bit on the hush-hush. Right, okay, we're going to head over to Mark and one of my favourite people in this industry, Chris Hellier, who is going to be talking about the iGroove software, and get those messages in because we need to get him grooving, I tell you.